Hey guys, it's Andy from Continually, and in this video I want to show you some of the basics with conditional logic and how you can use conditional logic in your bot to tailor the content for your customers. So I've gone ahead and set up an easy conversation here. It's just 3 messages asking or saying, hey, I'm Andy, thanks for checking us out. Then asking the customer for their email address and then asking them what area they're interested in. But for this demonstration, I want to use conditional logic so that if it's a returning customer and we already know their email address, we can take them straight to this next question without having to ask them what their email address is. So how I go about doing that is start off by dragging out a conditional logic object onto the canvas, and then I'm going to click that and start adding my conditions. So I'm going to select a condition, and here you can see all the defaults that we've created. So for this, I want to use email, and it's already set to is known, but you can set to is not known or contains. So is known is what I need, and then I'm going to hit save. And then all I need to do is connect that up and make some room and drag this in. So the way that this will read is it'll send a message, then it'll check if the customer's email is known, and if it is true, then we want to bring them straight here. So if the customer's email is known, then we'll skip this question and go straight to the next one. If the customer's email is not known, then we want to take them here to ask them for their email. And this is just the simplest explanation of conditional logic and how you can use it to tailor what you send to your customers. So you don't have to hit them with repetitive things that they've already been asked or the information that you already know.